Hey guys, so today I'm trying to get some phone service over here. Today is Mother's Day and I'm going to shoot. How does the battery just constantly drain even when the phone's off? You see, I have no service here, so if I leave my phone on, it's trying to find some kind of signal, and by doing that, it wastes battery life. But I turned it off, so therefore battery life shouldn't be drained, but it was. Look at that. This is what Maya had to do just to bring this thing over here because the webbing here is just snapped. She did a really good job on it. I feel so bad though. While she was like patching this up, I had to just kill time because she was the only one who knew how to tie the knots together. All I could do was just watch or kill time. So somehow I'm gonna do something nice for her, you know, because she deserves it. Actually, I know what I need to do. I should probably, what the, is that a bug? Oh God, there's a bug in there. Yeah, get it. That's gross. Okay, much better. I see deer. Just don't look at them. Just don't freaking look at them. One of them's watching me. Don't freaking look at them. Don't. Just gotta hold still. Service. Service. Come on, service. Please. I have a better idea. Okay, we're getting something. Got a couple bars there. Gotta go call my mom. Mom? Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I had to go find service to call you.
Okay, thank you. I miss you. I miss you too.
I miss you too, Mom. Okay, bye. Alright, mission accomplished. Okay, so this tape measure can only go up to 25 feet, which is that long. But the outflow that we're going to be measuring is way too wide and surpasses this length. We either get longer measuring tape or we just have someone just stand at the very 25 feet end and just like take that spot and say, like, alright, just move the entire measuring tape over so the zero end is right here where I can hold it. Go! Who would have thought using a camera would be a nifty thing? The camera actually records the number of seconds that it records, so it's perfect for this kind of stuff where we're recording like per second, not even per minute. And stop. What'd you get?
4.
Oh, just 4? Oh, okay. I think that's all of them, right?
Yep.
Wow. And we were just 6 feet away for the, no, 4 feet.
Just 4.
Yeah.
Is that meeting at 4? I think he was just ducking under the branches. Oh,
Yeah.